How to change Bitmoji skin color on Snapchat. Here's a quick and easy way to customize your avatar. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone and tap your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap the clothing hanger icon in the top right corner to open the Bitmoji customization menu. Now select Avatar from the available options. Swipe through the customization categories until you find the skin tone option. Tap on it to view the available skin color choices. Browse through the different skin tones and select the one you want for your Bitmoji. Your avatar will update instantly, so you can preview the change in real time. Once you're happy with your selection, tap Save in the top right corner to apply the changes. And that's it! Your Snapchat Bitmoji will now use the new skin color you've selected. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tutorials.